Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Join us this week as we go to one of our favorite towns just south of Lewisville, Texas, but just north of Big D, Carrollton, Texas, where we'll see a dazzling 6-foot-tall board-on-board fence with all kinds of bling, plus an electric gate that runs off solar power. And that's next, here on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey guys, we are super excited to announce our new ebook, Affordable Backyard Construction, Backyard Secrets. It's all the stuff most contractors wouldn't want you to know, and it's available free if you go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com. If you wait till the end of this message, or if you look down in the description, you'll find a link. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. This was a really fun project. The customer knew exactly what they wanted, the look they wanted. All we had to do is execute. So let's dig in. Here's what we did. Before we get started, let's play the definition game first. This is a 6-foot-tall Western red cedar board-on-board fence. It's got a 2x6 top cap, which some people call cap and trim, some people call it triple cap. It is a 2x6 on top of a 1x4, trimmed off with a 1x2. And this one even has what we call arch trim underneath that. And it's set off by Coppell every 8 foot, and they have vertical 1x2 trim underneath them. It's all held together with stainless steel ring shanked nails that never rust. Next, let's take a look at the back side of this fence, or the bones is what I like to call it, the bones of this fence, because it's got some really cool stuff. The first thing you're going to notice if you've watched this channel a lot is you can't see the posts, but they're 8 foot apart. They're 2 foot deep in the ground with Maximizer concrete, but you can't see them because this one has custom post covers. And what that is 3 pickets that are boxed together and then put over that post where you don't see those posts at all. This is also a good time to talk about that 2x6 treated pine kickboard that keeps your fence off the ground, keeps the weed eaters away from it, and also those 2x4 Western red cedar nailers that the pickets are nailed to. While we're back here, let's take a look at how this gate is built. This gate is anchored on either end by 4x4 thick-walled steel posts that are about 4 foot deep in the ground in heavy-duty concrete. You'll also note that the solar collector is mounted on one of the posts. That collector is what provides the charge that keeps the battery going in that LiftMaster motor. Now, a lot of people think that the gates are built somewhere else. They're actually not. They're actually built on site. That's 2x2 tube. It's welded together so it's exactly the right size and fits exactly in the opening like it's supposed to. Those are big steel wheels that roll on that V-track, and that V-track is bolted to the driveway, and then it's on concrete feet as it goes out into the yard so it doesn't sink. Here's a couple of good shots of how that motor is mounted up in the air on that post so ants really can't get to it and rodents. It keeps it up high and dry. Let's go outside the fence and look at a couple of pieces on the outside of the gate. This gives a good shot of the hands, the clasps that hold that gate once it closes. That trim is pretty, isn't it? Next, I'll direct your attention to the keypad where you can punch in a code to open the gate from the outside. And then last but not least, there's the front side of that kickboard. See how those pickets are up in the air so they're not going to get wet, they're not going to rot. And if you're not really bad with the weed eater, you won't hit them with that either. Well, you know what that music means. It's time for me to shut up, let you walk around, take one last really good look at this fence that this family is so proud of. Then we got to get in the truck and get out of here because we got some other places to go. See you next time on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.